Hello, welcome to UPSC Rainbow. Previous class study about emergence of new kingdom. And today topic is advent of Europeans. You know that in 1498 Vasco da Gama come India via sea route and getting huge profit in European market. After that, the Indian demand market is going on, and later on, this trader India colonized, and the sequence for the European come as Portuguese, Dutch, English, French, and etc. Let us start with basic prelims questions. What is the positive effects of the beginning of European commerce in India? International market relation were set up, yes. Quantity of Indian export increases, yes. Commercialization of agriculture started, yes. Production of the food crops increases steadily, not increases but not steadily. So 1 to 3 are correct statements. So answer is A. Which one of the following is not a reason for French failure to establish power in India? The English had a strong navy, yes. Dupleix, Dupleix was not a capable leader. This statement is incorrect because Dupleix is a good leader, but due to the French government failure, they defeated by the English. French use most of their energy in European wars to expand their territory. The statements are correct. French government has headed by big monarch. Yes. So here asking what incorrect statement. So answer is B. The French challenge to supremacy in India came to end with the Battle of Bandivas. So statement answer is D. Match the following statements are correct. You know that Damandi for the Portuguese and the Surat for the English. Okay, so correct answer is A, and Chandra Chandronagar for French and Policut for the Dutch. So answer is A. Which of the following statements regarding Portuguese is correct? Portuguese rose to power under Central Albuquerque. Yes, the Portuguese established political power along with the eastern coast of India, north western coast of India. So correct statements only one. So answer is B. The main aim of the Portuguese in India was to capture territory on western coast of India, north, oust Arabs and Persian from the Indian maritime trade, north, capture people and others spice trade. These statements are correct. So answer is C. Which of the following statements regarding Battle of Plassey are correct? The English army saw military superiority, not. Mir Jafar and many other leaders deserted Nawab Sirajuddaula. Yes. So correct statement is only two. So answer is C. Which one of the following is incorrect about British economic policy in India? Converted India into an importer and absorber of the British goods. Yes. Converted India into a producer of raw material to the feed British industry. Yes. Turn India into fertile ground of the British capital investment. Not. Focus more on cash crop. Yes. They are asking about incorrect statement. So answer is C. Interlopes. What is interlopes? Interlopes is English merchant who traded independently. So answer is D. Treaty of Bassein was signed between the Wazir of Second and the British. So answer is C. The Anglo-Afghan relations in the 19th century were influenced by the fear of expression towards India of Russia. So answer is B. Which of the following is not true about Tipu Sultan? Setting up Board of Admiralty, yes. Plantation of Tree of Liberty at Singapatnam, yes. Attempt to establish Navy on modern land, yes. Opposition to foreign soldier setting up Jacobin clubs, no. In the support of the French soldier, setting up a Jacobian clause. So answer is D, incorrect. So asking about incorrect statement, so answer is D. Treaty of Sugoi signed between British and Nepal, so answer is A. Which of the following statements are correct about the Warren Hastings? He was the first Governor General of India, yes. He established courts of appeal, yes. He made pact with the Bengali Zamindar to make his permanent settlement system successful. Note, because permanent settlement system introduced by Lord Cornwallis. He introduced the policy of doctrine of lapse. No, policy of doctrine lapse introduced by the Dalhousie. So correct statement is 1, 2. So answer is A. Which of the following privileges under the Royal Farman of 1717 proved to be the bone of contention? Freedom to trade without paying custom duties all over India. Note, permission to rent additional territories around the Calcutta. Note 138. Exemption of the payment of the all custom duties and tax in Surat. Yes. Freedom of trade without dastak. Note. So correct statement is only 3. So answer is C. Which of the following statements are correct? Nawab Shahuddaula Abad Shah Alam II and the Mir Qasim jointly fought against British English force. Battle of Buxar, yes. After the battle, Clive became the Governor General of India. Note, after battle, Note become the Governor General of India. So correct statement is only 1. So answer is B. Which of the following statements are correct? Captain Hawkins paid a visit to the court of Jahangir. Yes. His visit resulted in permission of establish first factory in Surat. No. Jahangir denied to the permission to establish the first factory in Surat. The statement is incorrect. So correct statement is only 1. So answer is B. Which of the following statements are correct? Dutch established their factory at the Surat, not Machulipatnam. Dutch collapsed with their defeat to the English in the Battle of Bedra. Yes. So correct statement is only 2. So answer is C. Which of one of the following pair are treaties signed British is correctly matched? Raghunath Rao signed Treaty of Surat. Peshwa Madhav Rao II signed Treaty of Porbandar. Bhosle signed Treaty of the Devgaon, and Sindhya signed Treaty of, what is that? Treaty of Surya Arjuna. So these statements are D is incorrect. So correct statement is C. So answer is C. Which of the following place held an English factory? In the Surat, yes. In the Kannauj. So 2, 4 are correct statement. So answer is D. Who among the following was the first European to initiate the policy of taking part in quarrels of the Indian princes with the view of acquired territories? Duplex. Answer is B. At a time when empires in the Europe were crumbling before the might of Napoleon, which one of the following governor general kept the British flag flying high in the India? Is it Lord Hastings? Answer is D. Match the following statements. The first Indian Bar of Independence is written by B.D. Savarkar. Anand Manth is written by Sir Aurobindo Ghosh, Bankim Chand Chatterjee. And Life Divine is written by Sir Aurobindo Ghosh. And Sadhana is written by Rabindranath Tagore. You know the first Independence Bar of Independence is written by B.D. Savarkar. So answer is A, because Anant Manth is written by Bankim Chand Chatterjee. Okay, and Life Divine is written by Sir Aurobindo Ghosh, and the Sadhana is written by Rabindranath Tagore. So answer is A. There was no independent development of industry in India during British rule because of the absence of the heavy industry. So statement A is correct. So answer is A. Match the following statement. In 1775, first Anglo-Maratha war happened. Okay, so A is matching with third, and you know the 1824 Anglo-Burmese war happened, and 1835 8038 Anglo Afghan war happened. The D is second, so answer is C. And B 7080 second Anglo Mysore war happened, so answer is C. Thank you.